will provide you a high-level overview of Navicare Patient Safety. This platform will allow you to maximize the use of your care communication tools into a single, unified safety platform. It all starts with the patient assessment. Once the patient assessment is completed, Navicare Patient Safety, in an automated form, captures that information and sends it to the Navicare Patient Safety application. Outside of the room, we may see an illuminated light indicating that a patient is at falls risk. On the status board, we may see an update to the status board indicating the patient's falls risk. In the room, the Navicare Patient Safety application is then going to communicate to the Hillrom Smart Bed. With the patient weight detected, the bed exit engages automatically. When we interact with the patient, I'm going to talk about two scenarios, one using the real-time locating platform for staff locating, and the other interacting with the Hillrom Smart Bed with no locating present. So we have our patient located in the bed, and we can see that the patient bed exit has been engaged by utilizing, again, the clinical assessment on the patient. When I interact with the bed, I'm going to come in, press the alarm silence activation. This will allow me to get the patient out of bed. And again, no alarms will be present. Once the patient is returned back to the bed exit is reactivated. As a care team member, I can leave the room knowing that my patient is in a safe environment. Now we're going to review staff locating. I have my patient. I'm going to admit my patient into the room, get my patient placed into bed, and then I'm going to perform my clinical assessment. That clinical assessment is then going to trigger an automated process with Navicare Patient Safety. It's going to update my status board, illuminate the dome light, and put my patient in a safe state upon exiting the room. Once I leave the patient environment and my staff locating device is no longer detecting me in the room, the patient's bed exit will engage automatically, placing the patient in a safe state. Now I've left the room and the patient's in a safe environment, but my patient may decide to get out of bed unaccompanied by a staff member. Upon exiting the bed, the alarm will activate, placing a call. Upon entrance into the room with my staff locating device, it will automatically suppress all alarms in the room so that I can focus on my patient. So our next scenario is interaction with the patient, allowing for not only automation but suppression of all alarms. Upon entering the room, I can interact with the patient wearing my staff locating badge and being identified in the room. Navicare Patient Safety allows me to interact with the patient without manual interaction with the bed. Nancy, can I help you get out of bed? With my presence in the room and my staff locating, I can interact with the patient without any alarms. Once I'm completed, I can place the patient back into bed, exit the room, and all alarms will re-engage, placing the patient in a safe state. I'd like to thank you for your time, and if you have any further questions, please visit hillrom.com or contact your local Hillrom representative.